For today's video, we're going to get into Puzzle Box 5, the clock, to pull it out. Open up, keep some puzzles in there. I have a couple cows, a couple wooden cows. Let's go ahead and pull those out. You also have a little bucket and a music box, all part of Puzzle Box 5. Just the texture of the body and the face. It's just very, very interesting. So this used to be in a clock in my grandparents' house, along with a few other items, and I had asked to get it. And I mean, it even has a little clapper inside the bell. You can see that. And so I got this, and when I designed and built Puzzle Box 5, which is a clock, I decided to stick them in there because they had been a clock before. Get them in a clock again. So here's the other one. You can see those red eyes, very clear red eyes. The ears, how big the ears and the horns can be, they're definitely missing on the other one. Either they're missing or it's a different cow, different kind of cow, I don't know. Again, you have that detail of the bell, the legs, the muscles of the body, even to the udder. And I had wondered if one was a female cow and one was a male, but they both have udders. So they're both cows. And yeah, very detailed. Very detailed material. I don't know who carved this. I mean, I assume it was a relative, but you never know. You never know who, if they bought this somewhere, or they found someone. You'd like to think that, you know, someone in your family made this thing, but I just don't know. It could have been, the story might be it was someone, I mean, the people in the family that this is from were all farmers for quite a ways back. And so it's very possible somebody on the farm carved this. And it just passed down through the years, and here they are today. So anyway, those are two wooden carved cows. Thanks for watching.